Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Tokyo Laundry, a new try-on, and today I'm wearing this Garfield sweater that you guys probably haven't seen in a hot minute, and I just realized I had it and I was like, you know what, we're going to wear that today. So we're going to go into this one. I got the sports boxer because I thought that'd be fun. It comes in this really nice packaging, like a little cardboard box. You get 2 in a pack. Love that. They have a really nice cotton to them, so we're going to take them out and see what's happening here. So right off the bat for one of them, actually both of them, I noticed they have, I don't know if you can see that up close, but really bad stitching. And these are a more affordable range that you can get, and it's just really bad stitching, like horrible. Like it's all coming apart. I wanted to try some more cheaper, affordable underwear for you guys to mix it up with what I usually do. So the first pair is these ones, which I have tried on. They're like a generic kind of cotton. There's actually no support here on the seam, which I don't like. It's super light, and obviously it's coming apart as well. So that's not really the greatest in the world to have, like so. It's kind of really not great. They are coming with an open fly, which if you need an open fly, they got you covered for that. The band is really nice and soft. There's a lot of like this like extra fabric and stuff coming off of it, which is not really like can you see all that? Like I'm wearing a nice color so you can see all of this extra material is coming off, and you kind of don't know if it's like coming apart, or I'm not really vibing with this. Like the fit overall is a really good, decent everyday underwear. I think these were pretty cheap. So for a 2-pack, it was like £15 or something. And it is quite a good brand from what I can see. It's like a popular brand. A lot of people wear this stuff. So obviously it is good because a lot of people wear it. And then we have this one here, which is the stripe one. Let me see. Yeah, this one has it too. Look, oh wow, look at that. Can you guys see? I mean, like you can see it more if I go like this, but like the whole seam here is actually, it's coming apart. That's crazy. Like it's all tangled here on the front. If you want good quality, I would avoid these because these look like they're just rushed made. Like there's so much like strings coming off them. I think they're just all kind of rushed made just to be produced fast. Look, it's like unraveling. It's like really badly made. So honestly guys, I really don't think you should probably buy from this brand. Quality ones like Calvin Klein or anything, you're kind of guaranteed to never have this happen. Overall, great shape, good everyday support. If you just want something you don't care about and it's just like, you know, underwear that, oh my god, just even more stuff. Like I can't. This is awful, right? So that is it for these. I want to say it gets like a 0.7 from me overall. The boxer brief ones, I really don't like the shape for a boxer brief, but it should be a little bit shorter for a trunk style. I think it would fit a lot better. The band is soft, and the only issue I have is the coarseness from here and how it's coming apart as well, and how the stitching at the bottom of these is really bad here, and there's no, it's not thick but it's very thin, so this is going to ride up a lot when you wear them, and that's just not something I would go for. So guys, let me know what you think about these. Is this a brand you've tried before, Tokyo Laundry, or do you buy the clothes from them? Let me know down below in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button, turn that notification bell on when you subscribe so you're notified whenever I do any new uploads, any new content giveaways, or anything fun or anything in between. You'll be the first to know. So that's it from me guys. Hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be. Until next time, bye bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.